So you're trying to make breakthrough sales by selling products such as this, or this on Amazon, Shopify, or any other e-commerce platform. But does your product listing look as horrible as this?
Or quite similar to the vast ocean of competitors out there?
It's no wonder you're not making as many sales as you'd want to. But hey, don't sweat it. Just use Glorify, an incredibly easy-to-use design software that will help you ramp up the clickbait of your product images, converting your customers from browsers to buyers. Glorify is the world's first e-commerce design tool created for committed business owners just like you. It's quick, it's easy, it's effective, and you don't have to be a designer to use it. You'll have access to many design formats, such as product images, lifestyle images, hero headers, ebooks, Facebook adverts, Instagram posts, and much, much more. You can pick a suitable niche or a theme to pick the perfect design for your product from our ever-growing library of templates. You'll also have access to our stock library of over 2 million free creative assets. Let me give you a quick tour of some of our amazing features. Start off by capturing some photos of your product with your smartphone. Then just use our super easy background remover tool to magically crop your photos. You now can create your product images by starting from scratch, or get a head start by selecting an attractive template and adding your cropped out product to it. Use our epic Brand It feature to apply your brand colors. Keep remixing it until you get the combination just right. Customize your image further by tweaking the text to fit your message and select from a range of fonts. And finally, you can add a suitable background, which you can play around with by using our custom filters and effects. Try out our other super cool effects, such as shadows and reflections, to create professional product images that are sure to impress your customers. You can also create amazing call-out images to highlight the hottest features that showcase the great value your product has to offer. After you've got your product images, it's time to drive traffic and let your product go viral. Create captivating designs to market your product on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and all other social media and marketing platforms. Use our awesome Smart Resize feature to instantly resize your designs to fit any format you like. And finally, our logo maker can whip you up with a design within minutes. Simply enter your company name, select keywords to describe your brand, give us your color preferences, and choose an icon if you want one. Once you get your first brand preview, you can play around with your logo as much as you like until it hits that sweet spot. Your online store has to look professional, attractive, and enticing. If you've got that, you can be sure of making massive sales, and of course, big bucks. At Glorify, we believe you're just a few clicks away from reaching this goal and adding color to your conversions. Sign up now for our limited early adopter package and be among the first to grab our exclusive bonuses.